Zhejiang TONA Home Company Limited is a professional bathroom furniture manufacturer with a strong international presence. Our company is headquartered in Linhai, Taizhou, Zhejiang, China, with production sites in China, Germany, and Indonesia. Our product line includes bathroom cabinets, basins, bathtubs, mirrors, shower enclosures, and other sanitary ware products. The TONA brand is synonymous with advanced sanitary ware culture, advanced German craftsmanship, and unique cutting-edge design. Our production sites, spanning over 200,000 square meters in China, Germany, and Indonesia, are equipped with state-of-the-art production equipment in accordance with German industrial standards, and we have a team of over 1,000 highly skilled professionals. With over 2 decades of experience as a manufacturer of German-style bathroom furniture, we have honed our expertise in precision and purity. At TONA, we apply our passion for quality to the refined simplicity of today's global lifestyle, creating flawless and peaceful bathroom spaces that perfectly blend precision and nature. Our high-quality craftsmanship and top-level accessories have made these products outstanding works of art. TONA's products are now available in over 72 countries and regions worldwide. We operate branches in Germany, the USA, and China, with flagship stores in key cities, including Munich, Frankfurt, Milan, Los Angeles, Shanghai, and Hangzhou. Our design philosophy is deeply inspired by nature, pursuing the principle of less is more. The TONA logo, featuring a delicate European daisy, symbolizes the brand's freshness, vitality, and commitment to excellence. TONA to nature.